Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your WhatsApp notification keeps repeating. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and make sure your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and then simply search for WhatsApp. If you see update, select update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. So head over to your settings, scroll below and go for apps. Here also you have to search for WhatsApp, so open your WhatsApp. Let's go ahead, clear the cache by going on storage, selecting clear cache. Then come back here, select notifications. And you may go ahead, do not allow any of the notification and also toggle off allow notifications. Wait for a couple minutes, toggle it back on again, and you may go ahead select all these categories. Now in here, restart your device, launch your WhatsApp and see if this fixes your problem. And if it's still not working, then your Wi-Fi might be the issue. At times when your Wi-Fi is slower, it will simply keeps showing you some messages when you have a stable connection. So make sure that your Wi-Fi is stronger and it will work.